Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the poster mockup with cookies in Pixlr. So just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and I'm just going to double click the Pixlr X Start a Design Project button. And then I'll click Open Image to open the mockup off the computer. Then we'll just select the mockup and click Open. It's going to ask me if I want to size it down. I'll open the original size, so I'll just click Original and then click Apply. And now to add the design to the mockup, it's as easy as clicking this little icon of the square with the lines through it that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click the Add Media button. And then just find your design on your computer. And then when it loads, you might need to resize it. To do that, just click and drag any one of the four corners. And then you can click and drag anywhere when you see the four-arrow move tool come up, and that'll let you move the design around the image. And to make it a little more natural so you don't see the white backgrounds, I'm going to click on this layer with our design and then click the three-dot icon in the upper right-hand corner of the thumbnail icon in the Layers panel. And that is going to open up the layer menu. And then under Blend Mode, where it says None here, I'll just click on that and change None to Multiply. And that'll kind of knock out the white background and make it look more natural. And now we're done. We just need to save it. So to do that, click the Save button at the bottom. And if you're going to use this on a website online as a thumbnail, you'll want to save a version as a JPG. So make sure JPG is selected, and then change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then just click Save As. And you can change the file name here for each of your designs. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you could come back here a second time and click Save again. And then this time just select PXD. You could even toggle this button on to make sure all your layers are non-destructive, and then just click Save As. And that's all there is to adding your design to the poster mockup with cookies in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a great night.